Hey squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool around here, and basically what these are some closet organizers. And basically when you guys first get it, it's actually super compact and portable because it is a foldable design. And then once you guys do set it up, it's basically a hanging design. So right here I do have 3 of them, but I do have a lot of other ones available. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which ones you prefer. But let's open up all of these to show you guys what it looks like first before I set it up. So let's start with this one. Alright, so right here we do have the first one. Let me actually stand up to open it so that way you can see a better view of the product. So when you guys first open up, if you guys notice for the top part right here, we do have a vocal design. And that is basically for you guys to hang onto the closet bar. And I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. But literally all you need to do is just put the Velcro together and just stick that inside the bar. And you should be all set for that part. But once you guys let it down, here is basically what the product looks like with this one. So this one basically has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sections where you put a lot of stuff in here if you guys do want to. So whether if you guys want to put like your socks, your clothes, or if you guys want to organize other stuff, what you guys want to put in here, that is totally up to you guys. But when you guys do feel the fabric that's on here, it definitely feels like a pretty high quality fabric. It's like a non-woven fabric that's also washable as well. But when you guys do feel the top part for the Velcro right here, it definitely feels super sturdy. And it actually has a pretty good foundation on top to give you guys the support. Same thing for the bottom part right here as well. So this is what it actually looks like from the front. Here is the side, and then right here is the back. Now let me show you the other two as well. Alright, so right here we do have the next one. If you guys open up, this one also has a Velcro design, so that way it can hang on the bar, just like the other one. So if you guys do stick it together, that is what the top part looks like. And once you guys let go, here is basically what it looks like. So for this one, it does not have as much space as the other one. It only has 1, 2, and 3. But everything in terms of the material that's on here is basically the same. It is like a non-woven fabric. It's also washable, eco-friendly, and etc. So here is the front, here is the side, and here is the back. So here is the second one. Let me show you the last one. Alright, so right here we do have the last one. Here is basically what the last one looks like. So for this one, they also have the Velcro design. So let's stick it together. Here is basically what the top part looks like. And once you guys do let go, here is basically what the product looks like. So this one definitely has a lot more capacity or storage that's on here. But if you guys notice, the size of this one is much smaller. So it is much more limited in terms of what you guys put in here compared to the other one, which is much more wider. But for this one, they basically give you guys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 different slots to put whatever you guys want inside right here. And when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it's basically the same kind of material. It is like a non-woven fabric that's washable, eco-friendly, and etc. So here is basically what the bottle looks like from the front. Here is the side, and then right here is the back. But that is basically everything that's included in the product. Let me actually go set this up to show you guys what it looks like if you guys would put it into your closet. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. So right here we do have the one with the 3 option. Right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then right here we do have the small one. If you see how long it is, it's so long to the point where it actually won't fit on here because we do have some boxes in the bottom. But here is basically what the pot looks like once you guys do set it up. Eventually it definitely looks pretty nice. But on top right here, like I mentioned, we do have the Velcro design. So I'm actually show you guys how I should put it on really quick. So the way how you guys put it on is actually very simple. Literally all you need to do is take out the Velcro on top. So just like that. And just stick it on. And the same applies to the other one as well. And then once you guys put it on, here is basically what the product looks like. So let's say for example, if we put some shoes in here or something, it definitely has a good amount of support on here to support the weight. Or if you guys want to put like fruit in here, you guys can definitely store it in there as well. So obviously if you guys want a lot more space or like wider capacity, you probably want to go for this wider one. But if you guys do have a lot of smaller stuff, you probably want to put it right here instead. And then once you guys are done using it, it's so easy for it to put away. Literally all you do is just take out the Velcro and just fold it back up really easily, just like that, and it's all set. But here's basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. Eventually it definitely looks pretty nice. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test of the product, definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So whether if you guys want more capacity or less capacity, in terms of how much stuff you can put on there, that is totally up to you guys. If you can see when you set up the product, when you guys do like the thinner one or a smaller one, it actually wastes a lot more space because of how long is it. Whereas for the bigger one, the wider one, it does not take as much space in terms of length, but does take a lot more space in terms of width when you guys do set it up, if you can see from the test. But if you can see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. Literally all you need to do is open up the Velcro and stick it onto your bar, just like how you can see in the video. And then once you guys do that, you can basically put whatever you guys want inside, whether you guys can put your clothes, your underwear, or if you guys want to organize like a towel or something, whatever you guys want to put in there, that is totally up to you guys. But I can see from the test, the product definitely works pretty well, and it's super easy for you guys to set it up and put it away, since it does have that foldable design. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we come unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality closet organizer that has a similar design as these right here. That I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously with all these guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.